How to change your Amazon password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change your Amazon account's password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now remember that I'm talking about changing the password, not resetting it if you don't remember. Now if you're talking about resetting, then I've also already made a video. Is that this video is for those who knows the current password but would still like to change it even after you are logged into the account. So once you are logged into your Amazon account and you decide that you want to change your password, tap the account icon from the bottom of the screen, which is the profile like icon. Then from the top you'll find an option that says your account, so make sure to tap the your account button. And once you go to the your account option over there, from here under account settings you'll find an option that says login and security. So tap the login and security option, and once you tap on login and security option, right under it is where you'll find the password button. So then you can just tap the edit option there, and once you tap on edit, you can enter the current password and re-enter the new password, and then just tap the save changes to change your Amazon password. This way you can change your Amazon password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.